Hey YouTube, this is Abdul Car Fix, and this is 2005 Mercedes E320. And the problem is the fuel pump went out on it, and it's kind of confusing here for a lot of people because it looks like there's two pumps in here under the seat. This one, guys, basically the right one is the fuel pump. This one right here is where the filter is, and supply that one with power. But the one you need to change if fuel pump is out is the one on the right on the passenger side. That one right there. That's what you need to change. It's really easy. Just tap the ring out, get it out. There's a couple of hoses to disconnect and reconnect them, and one harness that feeds from this guy. This guy feeds that guy. That's the pump. Okay, the pump comes through here and then to the engine. So just it's the right side is your fuel pump. Sometimes you think there's two fuel pumps, or sometimes people go and change this one because it has the harness on it and everything from the top and the brusher sensor. But actually this is not, and the hose on top, that one doesn't have anything on top, but everything's on the inside, guys. That's your fuel pump. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.